everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and today I'm going to do you a super quick demo using our beautiful Scenescapes. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to make a card using these. We love making our backgrounds, most of us do, but you know what, sometimes we just don't get time to do that. So this is why we've created these backgrounds, to make it quick, easy, and that way, do you know what, it gives us more time to make more cards. So I'm just going to ink up Oracle, which is our new stamp, which I must say has proved very popular amongst you all. I'm going to ink her up in Nocturne, which is the VersaFine Clair Black. Of course, if you've already got the old VersaFine, you can use that as well. Make sure she's completely covered, and then we're going to pop her down on the card like so. Give that a little bit of a press. Just hold her on there for a while, let the ink absorb into the card. That's quite important. Sometimes we are a bit keen to ink our stamp it on our card and take it straight off, and then wonder why it's not a nice clear image. Especially with silhouettes, they do need a little bit more time just to soak into the card. So that's quite important. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to use our foliage stamp now, and then we're going to be using the Monarch VersaFine Clair, which is a really lovely purple colour. Again, ink up, and we're just going to bob a few of those around. And the beauty about this stamp is we can either have it hanging down or we can have it growing up, and it equally looks as nice either way. Okay, so how super quick was that? A nice finished card ready for you to mount onto a greetings card, all ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again.